ये आर्गुमेंट मेरे यहाँ नहीं चलता है।
I'm just requesting, my lords.
रिक्वेस्ट इज रिजेक्टेड। आपके पास तो एक बहुत पावरफुल टूल है, आप नेतागिरी करने लगते हैं, आपकी बार एसोसिएशन जिंदाबाद मुर्दाबाद करने लगती है। आप लोगों ने बिल्कुल कोर्ट को मजाक बना दिया है। कोर्ट वकीलों की सुविधा के लिए नहीं चलते, पक्षकारों की सुविधा के लिए चलते हैं।
Yes, ma'am. In this case, I have seeking permission from this honorable court to file an additional document, my lords.
ये क्या मैटर क्या है, पहले ये तो बताइए।
This matter pertains to illegal detention, my lords. My lords, in this case, a complaint was filed by the wife, my lords. That is respondent number 6.
Seeking action against police
And
official.
on the basis of that complaint, my lords, an FIR was registered against me.
जी।
And my lords, there is a
हाँ।
straight direction of this honorable court to all the district courts, and state has also given various direction to the police officers that a mediation should have been taken place. Before
लीगल डिटेंशन कैसे हो गया ये तो बताइएगा।
my lords, in this,
उसका राइट है, आपके वो आपकी पत्नी है।
हाँ,
अगर आप
उन्होंने कंप्लेंट फाइल करी,
हाँ
पुलिस शुड हैव कॉल्ड मी फॉर अ मीडिएशन, एक मीडिएशन एस्टेब्लिश होता, देयर वाज नो मीडिएशन।
कहाँ है प्रोविजन?
my lord,
मीडिएशन मैंडेटरी है।
my lord, there is a direction, that
Directions are not binding. Directions are only directory. Show me a mandatory provision that it was mandatory for the police to have
it may
called
be
you.
taken up in the Passover.
No.
There are certain documents,
No,
my lords,
No, Mr.
which I
Kamsel.
have taken permission, my lords. वो
You may
फाइलिंग
have-
के लिए गया
you
हुआ
may have taken permission, but it should have been here. You should have brought a separate spare copy for it. No, sorry.
my lords.
लिखिएगा।
My lords, may I just submit, my lords?
जी।
He has to argue the case.
नहीं, that is
My lords,
ये आर्गुमेंट मेरे यहाँ नहीं चलता
my
है।
lords, he's just, I'm just requesting, my lords.
Request is rejected. There will be no Passover.
My lords, it may be taken up in
No.
the Passover because there are certain documents which has to be brought on record, my lords.
Sorry. लिखिएगा।
My lords, because there is a circular, I have just one copy of that circular, my lords.
दे दीजिए सर्कुलर की कॉपी, बता दीजिए क्या है उसको सर्कुलर में क्या है।
This is the circular.
आप लोगों ने बिल्कुल कोर्ट को मजाक बना दिया है। कोर्ट वकीलों की सुविधा के लिए नहीं चलते, पक्षकारों की सुविधा के लिए चलते हैं।
Yes, my lords.
Because of your designs, litigant is suffering.
Sorry, my lords.
क्योंकि आपके पास तो एक बहुत पावरफुल टूल है, आप नेतागिरी करने लगते हैं, आपकी बार एसोसिएशन जिंदाबाद मुर्दाबाद करने लगती है। वो लिटिगेंट का क्या होगा जिसके लिए आप बने हैं और जिसका इंटरेस्ट आपके लिए सबसे सेकेंडरी हो जाता है। हाँ बताइए कौन सा सर्कुलर में क्या पढ़ना है?
I don't have the copy, my lords. That
That
copy,
is your problem. फ्लैग करके दीजिए क्या पढ़ना है।
lords, can it be taken up at
No, it will not be.
11:30, my
It will not be taken up at any other time. I can adjourn it for 8 weeks. It can be taken up after 8 weeks.
lords. My lords may adjourn then.
लिखिएगा, is not ready with the matter. After opening the arguments, he is taking a back seat and admitting that he has to file some documents, etc. This practice is not a healthy practice. Case is adjourned, list after 8 weeks with clear stipulation that no application for preponement of hearing or court slip shall be entertained. Next. और एक लाइन और लिख लीजिएगा. He submits that respondent number 5 who happens 6 who happens to be his wife had filed a complaint and police authorities without calling for mediation directly took action and registered FIR which has given him this cause of action to file petition. Full stop. It is when this court asked him to show that where are the directions that it is mandatory for the police authorities to enter into mediation without registering FIR. He submits that there are certain directions but could not produce on record any document to show that such to show such directions. फुल स्टॉप। उसके बाद वो लिख के इसको एडजॉर्न कर दीजिए 8 हफ्ते बाद।